Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics, here to introduce an exciting new product for our SS3s, the Type GM bracket for the 2015 to 2019 Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon. Now this is only compatible with models that come with a factory fog light option, but it is a direct plug-and-play bolt-in fitment utilizing the stock fog lamp bezel with no extra modification. Our Type GM bracket does make the SS3 protrude just a little bit, but what's nice about that is it allows you to use our interchangeable SS3 covers. Not only does this give your vehicle a crisp, modern look compared to the factory fog lamp, but it also gives you a significant increase in light output over any other factory option. We offer our SS3 in two separate SAE compliant fog optics, one in a 3000K selective yellow and another in a 6000K cool white. This directs light directly in front of the vehicle in an 80-degree spread. Now in that cool white option, we also offer an SAE compliant driving optic, which is intended to be used as a supplemental high beam. If you're someone who already has a set of SL1s or is looking to pick up a set, our 6000K cool white SS3 is a great color match. If you're looking to pick up a set of SS3s for your vehicle, check us out at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.